Gaya-gaya.
Ang tungkulin mo, huwag mo pabayaan since bata tayo. Tsaka pag-aaral. And your parents, lagi kang sumunod. Okay, I love you. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Woo!
Thank you po. Picture. Solo po. Solo kayong dalawa na. Solo yung dalawa.
Solo yung dalawa.
Alright, next to give a speech, ladies and gentlemen, is Annie Y. Pascual.
Woo! Go, sister! Kala mo
Time really flies fast. I remember you being so little, very cute, chubby girl who was living next building 13 years ago. Tonight, what I see is a dashing, beautiful young woman grown into a kind-hearted and God-fearing person. We may now live 100 houses apart, but I'm so thankful that you and Adlai are always connected. As I always say to your mom, who is my sister from another parents, family is not always by blood, but also by heart. Thank you for being such an awesome cousin to Adlai. Remember this night, your milestone birthday, celebrated by people who love you so dearly. Hope you feel extra love and pampered, especially by your supportive parents, Daddy Zaddy and Mommy Red. And then your very supportive and loving Kuya Nani. May God bless you with all the wonderful things you deserve. Happy 18th birthday, Michelle. We love you.
Woo! Thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much. Annie Y. Pascual.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
One more.
Okay, so during our meeting with the family, I asked them if they can give me a name or names who are capable of giving speech without telling them that you're going to give one. And the name they gave me is Flory Cañete.
Woo!
Ikasal din yung susi niyo sa yan.
Sige na.
Nandun po kasi yung
Apo.
nahulog siya.
Hi, beautiful Alicia.
Hi.
Iiyak na yan. Iiyak na yan.
Dahil sa birthday mo, biyaya ng Diyos na nakarating ako dito sa lugar niyo. Biyaya ng Diyos. Hindi man tayo nagkakaintindihan. Pag nag-uusap tayo. Pero sa puso, alam kong nagmamahalan tayo. I love you, Tisha. Makabait ka. Lumaki ka na masiglang, may tungkulin, ipagpatuloy mo lang. At ang maging masunod sa mga magulang, yun yung unang-unang utos ng Diyos na pag masunurin ka sa magulang, andun yung pagpapala. Kaya tuloy lang at magpakasigla lalo sa pagtupad ng tungkulin. Happy birthday! Thank you. Salamat po marami, lalo na po sa inyo.
Thank you po. Story picture po muna.
Okay, 1.
Okay, before I give the floor to our debutant for her final speech, there is a special surprise once again for you. A video greetings from your special loved ones. Let's all watch this.
It's okay.
So, kakain ako ng mangga.